Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help. And I thought it was pretty straightforward, so let me show you how I did it. This one's called Find Third Transaction number 2986. So pretty straightforward. That's what they want you to do. Just find the third transaction. If there are three or more for each user, based on a condition where the first and second transaction spend amounts are less than the third transaction spend amount, and that is sorted by the transaction date, because obviously transactions can't happen. They have to happen in chronological order. So yep, that's it. Just have to find the user IDs where that's valid and then get the third transaction spend and the date. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and declare a default div type integer using the user ID as the key. So for I, T, and enumerate transactions, transaction date. So that's the key, or let's do user ID instead. Okay. And then we're going to append the transaction date and then the spend, because we want to sort by the date itself. So transactions, transaction date of I, and then the spend amount, spend of I. Cool. So now we can sort it by the transaction date. So key x, key equals lambda, x, x0, so the 0th index. And let's go ahead and iterate over this dictionary. And again, now that we have all the user IDs and all the transactions logged, we can basically say if there are at least 3 transactions, then we can print the key and all the transactions for that user ID. Okay, so now basically we're on this one now, or this requirement. So this and this have to both be lower than this for each user ID. Okay, so if dk0 of 1, so the first sublist 1th index is less than dk2 of 1, so the third sublist's first index, and dk of 1 1, so the second sublist first index is less than dk2 of 1, then we know we have a valid answer. Okay, so that's one row in the resulting table. So, and we want to return it in ascending order by user ID. So let's go ahead and declare answer. We're going to append the user ID itself and then the date. So that's going to be dk. So we want that third transaction. So we want the spend first. The spend is index 1, and then we also want the date after that. And then we want to sort answer by the user ID, which is k. And let's go ahead and print answer. Cool. So now we basically have what we need. So just gather the results now. So 1, 2, 3, because we have 3 columns we need. Declare an empty data frame, standard stuff. Loop over A. Assigned 1, 2, 3 for each column, and then set the 3 column values. Okay, so user ID, third transaction spend, just naming it as they do here, third transaction date, and then just return it. Okay, let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem and solve it on my own without any assistance. So, yep, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.